Hi everyone, welcome to the study of ratio theorem. In this figure, point S divides point S divides the vector or the line A and B in the ratio m is to n. That is this point here, point S divide that this line A B in the ratio n m is to n. Now you are going to express S in terms of, you express S, vector S in terms of vector A and B. That is what we want to do here. So, in order for us to do that, first of all, we begin with the fact that we are going to obtain our OS. Our OS will be given by this one. OS will be given by OA plus AS. That one. But note that our AS is equal to fraction of the total. Fraction of the total is m divided by total of this length is m plus n. M plus n of A and B, vector A and B. But maybe I can write here, but again A and B is being given by AO plus OB, which is equal to negative A plus B. When you change the direction, the sign changes, which implies that now our OS is equal to our OA is vector A plus m over m plus n A and B. That way, which is equal to vector A plus m over m plus n into bracket minus A plus B, substituting the value of vector A and B. Then we remove the bracket, which is equal to vector A minus AM divided by m plus n, then plus vector B into bracket over m plus n. I have removed the bracket there, so which can be simplified as follows here. So here you shall have A into bracket m plus n. You close the bracket over m plus n minus A bracket m plus B vector m. You can write the same them in the same way as CM that way. Then here you will have, we continue, this is equal sign. I can write them here because you have AM plus AN minus AN m plus b m everything over m plus n. That way. So am and am will cancel that part, and this other one will reduce to 0, so that now our OS will be equal to an plus bm everything over m plus n. Note you can separate the fraction whereby we will have n over m plus 1 vector a plus m vector b divided by m plus n. That way. So our OS is equal to n divided by m plus n vector a plus m vector b divided by m plus n. So this equation here, which we have obtained, is what is referred to as ratio theorem. Ratio theorem. The theorem states that the position vector S, this one, the position vector S of a point which defines a line A and B in the ratio mn, the position vector S which defines line A and B in the ratio, m is to n, is given by the formula. This formula is given by the formula. I can write it S is equal to n over n plus m vector A plus m over n plus m vector B, where A and B, where vector A and B are position vectors of A and B respectively. So the sum of, note that the sum of n over n plus m and m over n plus m is 1. When you add this one, you will get 1, which is clearly shown here. If you have n over n plus m over n plus m, clearly you can see it is equal to 1 because you have n plus m over n plus m, which is equal to 1. So thanks so much for taking time to study with me. This is the general case of the ratio theorem. On the specific examples, tune on to my YouTube channel so that we may learn together with you. So basically, from this diagram, simply to get S using the ratio theorem, it is simple. You take n of vector A, you divide by n plus m plus, in this diagram, plus, then m of vector B, you divide by n plus m. So you take the opposite, n of vector A, n over the total, that is n over n plus m of vector A, then plus m of vector B over m plus n. That is what is called ratio theorem. Thanks so much for taking your time to study with me. For more such learning, kindly tune to my YouTube channel so that we may continue learning together. See you in the next presentation.